What's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Adam Snyder and I'm here to teach you how to make money online for free. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. So if you want to make money, you want to make a good amount of money, all you got to do is go to this one website. The website is www. This right here is a smartphone. You will need a smartphone. If you do not have a smartphone, it is going to make it very difficult to make money using the strategy that I'm going to show you in today's video. This right here is a free product that I got from a friend of mine. He wants me to sell it. I'm going to show you how I got this for free. I'm going to sell it and I'm going to make money in the process. So if you're ready, let's go. So one of the questions that I get from so many people that are new to creating an online business is, how do I make money without spending money? I have no money. So what can I do? What options are out there for me? Well, in today's video, I'm going to address that. Okay. I already showed you one product that I picked up from a friend of mine. Okay. I did not give him any money to get this product. He gave it to me and I want to explain why. So first off, we are going to be using one website. If you don't know what that website is, it's called eBay. eBay.com. You've probably heard of this before. Now, you're probably wondering, how did I get this product for free? Well, it's actually pretty simple. What I do is I let my friends, my family, and I have some business associates that I work with that give me products on consignment, which means I take their products and I give them no money in return at first. And then once the product sells, I, as the owner of this business, would pay them their fee, which it turns out I'm paying 30%, okay? 30% is not a lot of money, but let's say a product sells for $100. This doesn't. Let's say a product sells for $100. I would give them $30. Flat fee, $30 for their product once it sells. I would make the rest, but I also have to pay for shipping, have to pay for my eBay fees, PayPal fees, packing supplies, and obviously my time and storage. So it works out really well. Now let me explain how you can do this. Let me show you what some products cost that I picked up just this morning. So here we are on ebay.com. Now here's what you do, because most people don't understand the process to figure out what a product like this sells for. So here's what we do. I want to show you the exact method. You come over here to advance. We're going to click on that. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on sold listings, and if the product's new, we're going to click on new. If the product is used, we will click on used. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Now, let me show you something. This right here, this is a pair of New Balance shoes. These are New Balance Nitrile Speed Rights. Okay, I've already done the search, and here we go. These are the New Balance Nitrile shoes. Now, these are all black. These are size 11 US men's. Okay, so I'd come down here and I'd try to find this pair of shoes. And that's how I know what they're going to sell for. Now, I've already done the research. This pair of shoes should go for right about $30 to $40. So let's say I sell it for $40. If I sell this for $40, I'm going to give, these actually came from an uncle of mine, okay? And so I would give my uncle $12, okay? I'd give him $12 for this, or for his shoes. He was going to sell these for $5 on Facebook and go around and show people the shoe, and I was like, I can give you more money. So that's essentially what I'm doing, giving him more money. Okay, you can see right here, this is pretty much the shoe right here. It's a different, kind of a little different color, but pretty much same shoe. There we go. Okay, 30 to 40 bucks is what I'm gonna get for that. Now let me show you this product. This is the Orbit. This is a rain and freeze sensor, brand new. Okay, this is brand new, still in the box, everything. I'm not gonna worry about opening up, but it's brand new. This right here, okay, let's say this sold today for $12.99. My guess is I'll probably be able to get about $14.99 for this product. Okay, it might not sell very fast, but it will eventually sell. So I'm gonna go for $14.99 for this product. He only had one, unfortunately, or I could do a bundle deal. $14.99. He's gonna get 30%, so he's gonna get roughly what, $4.70, somewhere right around there for this product. I don't know what it cost him. I don't know, you know, really what he was going to do with it, but he's gonna make almost $5 from that one item. This item right here, this I ended up picking up from my uncle as well, right here. This right here, and it comes with the work, and it does work. Okay, he actually pulled it out of one of his trucks. But this right here, it's a Cobra 29 LTD WX Classic. You can see it right here. Okay, it's something that he's not using. He got a new one, so he doesn't need this. But if you look here, one's with the actual microphone that works. This one sold for $65. This one sold for what, 30 plus 16, so about 47 bucks. This one sold for about $50. Okay, so I'm thinking from this working, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It's a little bit dusty, but I should be able to get, let's say, $40 to $50. So again, and that's about what the shoes are gonna go for, about 40 bucks. So he's probably gonna make off this $40 product or sale that I get. He'll probably make about $12 from that as well. 12 to, let's say, 12 to 13 bucks from that one item. So not bad. But that's all you have to do. Go around to your friends, your family, ex-coworkers, and let them know, hey, I can help you make some money. You just give me certain products, I will go and sell it, and I'll give you a flat fee. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would anybody let you take their products and you don't give them any money to start? Well, first off, that's the way the business works. That's the way consignment works. You take a product to, let's say, a consignment store or a thrift store, you put it on consignment. They don't pay you any money. They wait till the item sells, and usually the month after the item sells, that's when they issue your paycheck. So it is a legitimate business, and people are doing it all over the United States just on eBay alone. Now let me explain why I'm only giving 30%. I briefly touched on that in the beginning of this video. However, I want to be a little bit more clear. Okay, let's just say my phone. Let's say this phone right here, this iPhone 11 sells for $100. Okay. This phone sells for $100. It sells for a lot more than that, but let's just pretend for easy math. It sells for $100. So I'm going to give the person that consigns it, okay, the consignee, I'm going to give them $30 for their phone. And I do that because after PayPal fees, which are going to be roughly 10%, I'm only left with $90. After PayPal fees, so I got eBay fees of 10%, PayPal fees, let's say 3.5%. So 3.5% of 100 is $3.50. So now I'm left with $86.50. I still have to ship it. I'm gonna ship this. It's a $100 product. I'm gonna ship it fairly well. Let's say it cost me $10 because I also want to get a signature confirmation. I want to make sure once this product arrives that somebody has to physically sign for the package so that I know they received it and there's no porch pirate out there going to go take it off their porch and I'm out the $100. So I'm going to spend about $10 to have some shipping and some protection here, right? So $10 for that. That puts me down to, let's say, $76. And say a box of material, let's say it cost me like $1 or $1.50. That puts me down to $75. So roughly, we're going to get like a 50-50 split at the end of the majority of the products that I sell. However, being that this is a lightweight product, it makes it a little bit easier, right? So that's why I give 30% and I don't split 50-50 of the entire deal. Because if I did 50-50 the entire deal, that means they get $50 and I'd get much less. Because remember, if I have to pay $25 in fees and cost, then that leaves me with $25 in profit, which is not very good if it takes a while. I gotta store it and I have all this work. So that's why I stick to a 30% split. 30% for them, the rest is mine. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you have questions, please ask down in the comment section below. Now let me give you a piece of advice. Let me give you some tips when it comes to selling products. The first thing you want to do, obviously, download the eBay app. It's absolutely free, because then once you download the eBay app, you can open it up whenever you're at somebody's house or they're trying to show you a product. Okay, you can open up and then it allows you to use a scanner. Okay, so now I can scan the product and eBay will pull all that information up. Hopefully you can see it right there. Okay, so eBay does all that stuff for you. So then I can tell the person, my friend, my family member, a friend of a friend, whoever, I can tell them what their product is roughly going for so that I can give them an idea of how much they're going to get if and when this product sells. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is look around people's garage and see if it's okay if you can first. But look around their garage and just see what you could potentially sell. And I say this because most people are going to bring out their brand new stuff, right? Brand new, because they know brand new obviously sells. Or they're going to bring out something that they know is worth quite a bit, like a new phone, right? But they don't bring out things like old or vintage games, okay? Old or vintage electronics that people still are looking after. They don't bring out old computers that no longer work but still have value. They don't bring out antiques that they have never thought of in the past 10 years, because why would anybody want something that's antique when they could get something that's brand new, right? So this is what you need to do. Ask your friends or your family members, hey, do you mind if I come look around your garage or your attic or your basement and just see what you have? I'll put a little pile together of stuff that I think might work to sell and would sell fairly quickly, so that you can get as much money as possible in your hands as fast as humanly possible. And if you don't mind, I'll put it all together and you can decide whether you want to sell it or not. And again, you know, if they're not sure or they're thinking, 30%, that's not very high, just let them know. Break it down to them why it is the way it is, why you're doing these numbers. Now, you can always, change the percentage that you give to a client. I don't do that anymore because I've built up relationships and I have enough clients right now. I don't have to worry about that. But that is one of the things that you can do. So if you want to start a legitimate eBay business and you don't have money, this is the way to do it. Alright guys, hopefully this video answered your question on how can I make money online with no money. Selling products for other people, doing a consignment style business is a great way to start. Now, do I recommend doing this for the rest of your life? No, because it's going to be very difficult to scale. However, it works right now. It's one of these businesses that not only helps you make money and put money in your pocket, but it also helps your friends and your family members who currently might be out of a job, might be looking for a way to make some money. So if you can, not only help yourself, but go and help others as well. So like I said, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family on Facebook so they too know there is a legitimate way to make money online. Alright? So again, like always, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.